as we were going to walk in to the terminal. As you know, today it's a solid wall of ticket counters. That's all coming down, and we're changing. You'll see it when we get over there, but this is really a pretty accurate model of what you're gonna see over there. It's pretty special, pretty sweet.
So is this baggage claim then?
Yes. Yep.
And there's another big restaurant over here.
Yep.
Yeah, that's a lounge. Do you want to get to the far side there? Oh, you can see the video wall here too.
Ready to go?
Okay, so where you're standing right now is basically post security, like we talked about, before you go into the
So that's